Hi guys. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. I thought he was gonna get Simon. Bye, Robert.
ผมบอกหมวนนุ้ยเลยผมได้จับถูกหัวเลยผมบอกหมวนนุ้ยเลย
You look like the people back in the day, man.
ผมบอกหมวนตัวกาที่กา
Of the
แต่
Islam
กา
of the Greek,
ลุย
of the
กา
Ramadan.
เย่กาทุกานุ้ยกา
I'm telling you, she wants to talk.
เอาไว้ให้แล้วปากกิส
Bro,
ปาก
we were
เล
going to
ย
Erie Lake. Tell me why she talked the whole way. I did? No, fuck, I didn't. I was just, the whole voice I heard the whole time was, that was her. I'm talking about, I was on my phone. No, this is a mute on the phone. I bet you during the play she probably talked the whole way. Boom. How about? Yeah. She thought she ate. No, I was fed up with her yet. What was that for?
Because she was happy to play her music.
Her music was not even music, it was melody. Cause you know for our music everyone was bumping and then when we finally let her music I said that yeah and nobody else said yeah. She said, okay, look, it wasn't yeah, it was yeah. I said, okay, that's cringy. Cause nobody was saying it with her.
Hey,
And
it was tough.
her music wasn't
Why
even
did they
music.
like it?
And then not only that, but her music, you know how everybody, everybody music is so long, right? Hers we only played it halfway. She never plays her full song.
No, she always does.
We didn't play it full, it was boring. I always fell asleep. It wasn't even music, it was melody. It was vibing song. And she was jamming to that vibing song.
I'll be jamming too.
Yeah, go yeah with her.
Yeah.
Cringy.
Never cared.
So I gotta keep it so low. Remember my K-pop song, how we say the song? Spicy.